Buddies, how you all doing? This is known as a carbon cleaning machine. Now, what is carbon? Carbon is something which accumulates inside any internal combustion engine. It could be a motorcycle engine, it could be a car engine, it could be petrol, or it could be diesel. Let me show an example to you. Okay, so this is the piston of a KTM motorcycle. Okay, you see all this, the black thing. This is carbon. Okay, and this is how a piston would look after you have ridden for about 25,000 kilometers. Okay, this is bad. This is really bad for your engine. You see all of this? And this is the head of a motorcycle. Here are the valves. And this is pretty clean because our team cleaned this up manually. But you would see similar amount of carbon deposit here also. And if the carbon deposit is there in these areas, the valves will not close properly. And that will lead to compression loss. And if there is compression loss, your engine torque will go down and the fuel efficiency will go down, speed will go down, the whole enjoyment of riding a motorcycle will go down. Okay, and no matter which motorcycle or which car you have, doesn't matter, it could be a BMW or Bajaj, carbon will accumulate inside. The reason is that when fuel burns, okay, you see a candle burning, okay, or you see anything burning, on the top there is black thing that is coming, right? That is, that is the carbon, okay. And in engines, it accumulates, it stays there. So how do you get it out? Because we don't want carbon in our engines, okay. So if your motorcycle has done anything more than 20,000 kilometers, it is a good time to do carbon cleaning. Now this is a carbon cleaning machine. This is an expensive machine. It cost almost 7 lakh rupees. Yes, a lot of money. And what this does is, this sends a cleaning agent through this hose. Okay, you see this thing here, the bubbles. Okay, so it sends a cleaning agent into the intake of your engine. Okay, you see this? So this is the intake of air. We have removed the air filter of this car and we are sending a cleaning agent in a controlled manner. What is a controlled manner? Here are settings. Now depending on the cc of your engine, you input how much cleaning agent should go in. Okay, it's a fully automated machine. And let me show a demo to you. Okay, we are doing this on an A-Star car, and we have done this on many Dominar motorcycles. Currently, this service is available only on Dominar motorcycles. The reason being that the air filter intake for every motorcycle is different. And this thing you see here, let me take this out and show it to you. Okay, this thing is custom made. And we will make this for other motorcycle brands, other models also very soon. But right now we have it only for Dominar 400. Let me check. Srinath, for Dominar 250? Same. Okay, we have it for Dominar 250 also. Okay, and for cars, almost all cars. So you put this into the air filter intake area. So we are with Srinath, our technical head, and he is going to switch on this machine and we are going to show a small demo of how carbon cleaning is done. Let's go, Srinath. The engine should be started, and you see, Nitin, the cleaning agent is rushing inside. Once the RPM builds up, so as I mentioned that depending on the cc of your motorcycle, we input how much cleaning agent has to go in and for how long. So that is what Srinath is doing right now. So as I mentioned that this is a fully automated machine. You see the siren that we are getting, the alert, that means that the engine's RPM is not good enough, okay, not high enough to intake, that is suck all the cleaning agent inside into the engine. So Trinad, increase the RPM and that siren is going down. And Trinad, for how many minutes this has to be done?
25 minutes.
Okay, and for Dominar?
25.
Okay. It's just that we change the values of the cleaning agent coming in. Yeah. Cool. I don't want to pull this video for 25 minutes. So the cost of getting this done for a car is 2,500 rupees and for a motorcycle it is 1,500 rupees. Alright? I mean, you don't have to get it done every 5,000 kilometers, but in case your car or your motorcycle has done more than 20,000 kilometers, get it done, And you like to generally keep your car and your bike clean from outside, but even the internals of the engine would remain clean. See, if it goes to this level, this piston has done 50,000 kilometers. If it goes to this level, it is not easy to take all the carbon off. We can do this, but it will not be completely clean. Okay, so we will have to repeat the process multiple times. But in case your bike or your car has only done 20,000 kilometers, we have a better chance of eliminating any carbon formation, and later on, if you continue this every 20,000 kilometers, even after your car or bike's engine has done 100,000 kilometers, it will still be neat from inside. So you might be thinking, we are sending in cleaning agent, but what happens to that? The cleaning agent cleans up the internal parts of the engine, okay, and then removes carbon, and all of that would come out from the exhaust, okay, and it would just come out as vapor and steam. That is it from my side, buddies. Thank you very much. I will try my best to at least put in 2 videos every month, important technical videos. And if some good motorcycles are out, I will also make reviews. So that is it from my side. Thank you. If you got any questions, put it down in the comments. And if you want to get this done, I will leave the phone number of Trinad in the description of this video. You can call him. Thank you.